Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks. All of these dimensions given in millimeters. Okay, let's see how to create this one. The file, new, part drawing. So I am going to initiate the drawing by selecting the top plane by drawing the 94 by 38 center rectangle. Choose top plane, then make it normal, sketch, center rectangle, the dimensioning. (38, 94). Then draw the center line, vertical center line, infinite length, and the horizontal center line, infinite length. Then go to center rectangle, then dimensions 18, then they make these two line, select these two line with the control, they make collinear, then this dimension is equal 22, then mirror these entities about this axis. Then we have a fully defined sketch. Then go to extrude, feature, extrude, select this contour. The thickness is equal to 18. Okay, select this face, then make it normal, then go to sketch, then again choose center rectangle, then make these two lines coincide, the dimensioning, (32), choose center rectangle, make these two lines coincide, collinear, then the thickness is equal to 8. Then we have fully defined sketch, then we can go for extrude, select these two contours, thickness is equal to 45 minus 18, again choose extrude, select the sketch 2, select this contour, then choose the dimension, the 45 minus 18 minus 16. Okay, select this face, then make it normal, then go to sketch, then draw the circle, the dimension 20. Choose features, extrude cut, through all. Then select the front plane, then make it normal to the view. Then view options, go to view options, show hidden line visible. Then go to sketch. Then go to features, extrude, the 2 direction, the up to surface, for the direction 2, up to surface, see the surface. So then you can mirror this feature, created feature about the right plane. The mirror, features to mirror. From design tree, you have to select the feature, see the feature about the right plane. Okay, then next we are going to create this hole. So I'm going to draw it in front plane. Make front plane normal to the view. Choose the view. The sketch. The 13. Five. Okay. Then go to features, extrude cut. The 2 direction, up to surface, select, sorry, the 5. For 1 direction, that is equal to dimension is 5. For this direction, 5. But then we are going to mirror this feature around the right plane. Select the right plane, the mirror, the feature, select the feature, extrude cut. Okay, in this way we can create this model.